Hello everybody, once again welcome back to my channel. My name is Anita and as you know that I am teaching you English speaking, English grammar and many more things which are related and useful for our daily speaking English. Okay, so guys, this is our new class and in this class we are going to learn a very important topic which are very useful and important for our English speaking. Okay guys, so the topic is why vocabulary is very important for English speaking. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कि इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी हमारे इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट होता है एंड हाउ वी कैन इम्प्रूव आवर वोकेबलरी. सो गाइज, आज की क्लास में हम सीखेंगे कि इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी हमारे लिए क्यों ज़रूरी होती है और हम अपने इंग्लिश वोकेब को कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट वोकेबलरी इज़ द मेन बैकबोन फॉर आवर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग. हमारी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में वोकेबलरी का एक जो रोल होता है, हमारे जैसे शरीर में बैकबोन होती है, सेम वो रोल होता है. सो in the order to learn English speaking, this is very necessary that first of all we learn vocab. If we have a lack of vocabulary, then we will not hesitate anywhere. We will not stuck when we are going to speak any kind of English speaking, and when we are talking to someone we will never stuck. Okay, because if we have vocab then we can speak any kind of English. Like we can talk to stranger, we can talk to foreigners, because we know that foreigners speak advanced English, and in order to learn advanced English, in order to speak advanced English, very important that we will know vocab. If we know too much vocab then we can speak much of English speaking. ओके, अगर हमारे पास vocab है तो हम इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज अगर हमें ये स्पीकिंग करना है तो हमारे में vocab को इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो सेकंड थिंग, हाउ वी कैन इम्प्रूव आवर इंग्लिश vocab. In order to improve our English vocab, we have to learn more and more vocab from internet, from Google, and also we have to level all the things which are around us in English. Okay, second thing, we have to watch more and more movies, series, anything in English, and we have to notice new word in our mind and also try to use these all the new words in our daily speaking. Okay, and next one is very important and very useful and very effective way to learn vocabulary is we should read newspaper and magazine. Because when we read newspaper and magazine then we find many more different kind of new words, and when we don't know the meaning of that word then we will learn that words. Okay, so there that will help us to improve our vocabs. Okay, inside it we can see English movies and English series with web title subtitle. Okay, so these are some very important and very necessary tricks to improve our vocabs, and vocabs are very important for English speaking. So these are some important tricks and techniques which can help us to improve our vocabs for daily English speaking sentences and improve our English fluency for English speaking. So that's it for today. If you really like the video, if really this video is helpful for us, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and if you want to know these kind of videos please comment me in the comment section. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.